Kristen.
I'm Frankie.
And we're students that are working in the pop-up restaurant this quarter, La Vida. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step demo on how to make one of our desserts on the menu, the flan. So we started with 1 1/3 cups of sugar in a pot, and we're going to add 1/2 cup and a teaspoon of lemon juice. And with this we're going to make the caramel for the flan. While the caramel is going on the stove, we're going to work on the custard filling for the flan. In this bowl we have 12 eggs, which Frankie's whisking right now. Right now I'm adding 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of orange zest, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're also going to add 6 ounces of mango puree. Working hard. Our caramel is coming together really nicely. We're going to let it cook for another few more minutes until it turns a nice amber brown. Now that it's a nice amber, I'm taking it off the stove and putting 6 cups of milk on. Now that the caramel is done, we're going to portion it into the cups and spread it along the sides like so.
Don't try this at home. It's very hot.
Now that we've got our milk to a simmer, we're going to move it into this container so that it's easier to temper into our egg mixture. Tempering is the process of bringing up the temperature of an egg mixture without scrambling the eggs. So we're just slowly pouring in this hot liquid so that we don't scramble this. Now that our custard mixture is done, we're going to portion it back into the caramel cups. This is another student. His name is Trevor and also works front of the house for the restaurant. Now that we have our custard mix portioned to the cups, we're going to pour some water in to make a water bath to help them cook evenly. Now they're ready to go into the oven. We have it set at 350 and we're going to bake it for about 20 minutes. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes, so I pulled the flan out. You can tell it's done because it's set, but it still has a little jiggle to it. I hope you guys come on Thursday to try it out.
We are ready for our concert.
Really?
Y'all should come check it out. It starts at 2:30 at the gallery. Cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not